Dog hurt. 5 smart fixes you can do at home. First aid. Dogs are more than pets, they're family. And just like any family member, accidents can happen anytime. Your dog might step on something sharp during a walk, get into a tussle with another dog, or suddenly start limping from a sprain. While rushing to the vet is always the safest choice, knowing how to handle common dog injuries at home can buy you precious time and reduce your dog's discomfort before professional care. Today, we'll walk through 5 smart fixes you can do at home as first aid for your dog. These are simple, safe, and effective ways to help your furry friend when an emergency strikes. 1. Cuts, scrapes, and minor bleeding. One of the most common injuries dogs face is a cut or scrape. It could be from broken glass, a sharp rock, or even rough play. What to do? Stay calm. Your dog can sense panic. Speak gently and move slowly. Stop the bleeding. Use a clean cloth or sterile gauze to apply gentle but firm pressure. Most small cuts stop bleeding in a few minutes. Clean the wound. Once bleeding slows, rinse the area with clean water or a pet-safe saline solution. Avoid using hydrogen peroxide repeatedly, it can delay healing. Apply antiseptic. Use a vet-approved antiseptic spray or ointment. Never human creams with toxic ingredients. Bandage, if needed. If the cut is in a place where it can get dirty, cover it lightly with gauze and tape. When to see a vet? If the cut is deep, bleeding won't stop after 10 minutes, or you see muscle or fat tissue, skip the DIY and go straight to the vet. 2. Sprains, strains, and limping dogs are playful and sometimes too energetic for their own good. Jumping off furniture, running too fast, or rough play can lead to sprains and strains. What to do? Rest first. Limit your dog's movement. Keep them from running or jumping. Cold compress. Apply a wrapped ice pack or a bag of frozen peas on the sore area for 10 to 15 minutes. This reduces swelling. Support the joint. If your dog is limping, help them avoid putting weight on the injured leg by restricting activity. Comfort and monitor. GentlePetting.com, reassurance, and a quiet space help your dog relax. When to see a vet? If limping lasts more than 24 hours, if your dog can't put any weight on the leg, or if the area swells dramatically, it's time for professional care. 3. Burns and hot spots. Burns can happen if your dog touches a hot surface, spills hot food on themselves, or gets sunburn. Hot spots, red irritated patches of skin are another painful issue. What to do? Cool the area. Rinse the burn immediately with cool, not ice-cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Trim fur around hot spots. Gently clip the hair around the irritated skin, so it stays dry and clean. Apply aloe vera or vet-approved gel. Natural aloe vera, pure, no additives, can soothe burns and hot spots. Prevent licking. Use an e-collar cone to stop your dog from making it worse. When to see a vet? Any burn larger than a small patch, blistering skin, or burns from chemicals require emergency veterinary help. 4. Heatstroke or overheating. Dogs can't handle heat as well as humans. Breeds with thick coats or flat faces like bulldogs and pugs are especially at risk. Heatstroke is life-threatening if not treated fast. Warning signs: excessive panting, drooling, weakness, or collapse, bright red gums, vomiting. What to do? Move to a cool place. Get your dog out of the sun and into shade or an air-conditioned space. Cool the body. Use cool, damp towels on the neck, armpits, and groin. Avoid ice-cold water that can shock their system. Offer water. Small sips of cool, not ice-cold water help hydration. Don't force drinking. Fan them. Air circulation helps bring their temperature down gradually. When to see a vet? Always. Heatstroke is dangerous, and even if your dog seems better, internal damage can occur. Call the vet immediately while you start cooling measures. 5. Choking or something stuck in the mouth. Dogs are curious, and sometimes they swallow things they shouldn't, like bones, toys, or even socks. Choking is a real emergency. Warning signs: pawing at the mouth, gagging or retching, difficulty breathing, blue gums or tongue. What to do? Open the mouth. If safe, look inside. Remove visible objects with your fingers, but be careful not to push it deeper. Dog Heimlich maneuver. For small dogs, hold them with their back against your chest. Make a fist and push up just below the rib cage. For large dogs, stand behind, wrap your arms around the belly, and give quick upward thrusts. Back blows. A firm hit between the shoulder blades can sometimes dislodge the item. When to see a vet? always after a choking incident. Even if the object comes out, internal injuries or swelling can follow. Bonus tip: build a dog first aid kit. Being prepared makes all the difference. Here's what to keep handy: sterile gauze and bandages, pet-safe antiseptic spray, digital thermometer cold pack, tweezers for splinters or ticks. Muzzle: injured dogs may bite in fear. Emergency vet phone numbers. Final thoughts: when your dog gets hurt, it's natural to panic. But remembering these **5 smart fixes: cuts, sprains, burns, heatstroke, and choking can give you the confidence to help your dog immediately while preparing for a vet visit. Always remember, first aid is not a replacement for professional care. It's just a bridge that can ease pain, prevent complications, and sometimes even save your dog's life. Your dog depends on you, not just for love and food, but also for safety. Learning first aid is one of the best gifts you can give your furry best friend.